We have Akhilesh with us as our next panelist. Main nice thing about Akhilesh is that he believes to create a positive impact in the society. He's also a founder, also a chief information officer. He's passionate about technology and that keeps him growing every day. So here we have Akhilesh.
Yeah, Akhilesh. So welcome, Akhilesh. And Akhilesh, there is one addition to what mm, we have mentioned, that we have to finish this introduction or whatever your achievement is within 4.5 minutes. There will be a buzzer or sound will be made by Nikita, and you have to follow that 4.5 minutes rule. Yeah.
Sure, sir. So can I share my screen? I have made a short PPT.
Sure. Okay. No problem. But I think
It's
PPT
four
will
pages only.
stand it. Okay.
It's 4 pages only.
Okay. No problem.
Yeah,
Go
yes.
ahead.
So is the screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah. So I am, who is Akhilesh Bhagwat? Well, Akhilesh Bhagwat is a technologist and a behavior scientist. So I follow three rules: learn, share, and apply. So daily for 1 hour, I learn one new thing, either about technology or either about human behavior, like psychology, body language, graphology, or any other thing related to human behavior. And after that, as I learn it daily on WhatsApp or on my social media, I share something new so that people can also learn from it. And my last space is apply. So daily I build my company all in one hub, which is where I create websites. And also on other side, I run an Instagram page where I create posts for people, where I share my knowledge. So I have achieved a lot of things in my life. Yet my main achievement started when I took the engineering, computer engineering. So as you can see here, I have written "Be yourself and face the fear." So the first picture says is my about my presidential speech at 19 July 2019. So the story behind this is that before this speech, 1 month before this speech, there was another speech. I was hosting a seminar, and there many college HODs and many people were sitting in front of me. So I had the job to introduce them, and while I was introducing them, uh, a ma'am names was mistakenly I told her Mr. rather than Mrs. So because of that, everyone was I was just depressed at that time, like why I did this mistake. So I was feeling low, and that time I learned one thing. My colleagues and my peers told me that you need to be yourself instead of being more formal, because I was more formal towards them for just for the sake of just impressing them that I am a little formal person. So they told me that be yourself. So after 1 month, I became the president of my college association, alumni association. So at that time, I got on stage and I just given the speech in a, you can say, in a order that I am talking to you all. So that speech was loved by everyone, even the teacher that whose name I was mistakenly called her Mrs. Mr. rather than Mrs. She came to me and said, "You this time you did it very great, and I am proud of you." So I learned the lesson there that always be yourself. It doesn't matter which situation you are in. Always be yourself. And I was having a lot of fear because 300 people were sitting in front of me, and I was the president, so people were looking up to me. I just gone on stage and just did it. So face your fear. If you have any fear, then face it. That's what I learned from this event. So next one is shy guy to public speaker. So from 10th till 10th standard, I was a shy person. I got into ethical hacking when I was on in 8th standard. Yet I was not much social person. So I was very shy person. I was not able to talk to any person or any strangers or any girls or anyone because I was just a kind of introvert. So here you can see this is the last year and before last year achievements. So as you can see, the first picture depicts VJTI College, Mumbai, and second, this one is IIT Bombay, and this is my college. So what changed that is that I was a very shy guy. I was frustrated why I'm shy. So what I did was I started writing goals that I am a confident guy and I can speak in public. So just doing, so I used to do visualizations daily, and that helped me became more confident and be a more of a public speaker. So as you can see, the all the pictures. The first, this is the picture in VJTI, which I taught ethical hacking. There were among 200 students sitting in front of me, and I did it confidently.
Sorry to interrupt. You
Akhilesh,
are.
your time is up. Can you wrap up
Sure, sir.
quickly?
Yeah, sure, sir. This is the last
Sure.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So self-improvement journey, if you want to improve your life, just as Purav sir said, you must not only focus on traditional education, you must also have extra curricular skill. So what I do in my engineering days, I have 60-40 ratio. 60% I focus on my traditional and 40% I focus on external. So I do a lot of courses. I read a lot of books on self-improvement. And if you want to be successful in life, then you must follow and know law of attraction. It will really help you change your life and improve your life for sure. So this and I daily write goals, which helps me know what I will be doing each other day. So life doesn't control me, I control my life because I know what I will be doing on that particular.
Great.
Yeah,
I
that's
think
all. That's
thanks a lot, Akhilesh. And the one thing which I have observed in you a pattern that there are so many titles, which you have achieved at such a young age, like a president or CEO. Uh, one means it is your own company, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So one advice or one thing which I can say is do not go after it. You know, at certain stage, people will feel like what you can say we are overdoing. You are established one thing, it's okay. Now do not add so many things. Yeah, CEO, CIO, VP, and all that. One is enough. Just a small part from my side. Yeah. Uh, and this is just a humor. Huh? Don't take so much seriously that I am, advising you beyond my boundary. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Over to Beatriz. Beatriz, what are your observations in achievements of Akhilesh?
Thank you, Darshan. Well, I am so happy to hear you, Akhilesh. I remember I saw you when you joined to the sessions, the first sessions. I remember like 2 or 3 months ago, and
Yes.
I was impressed with the progress that you have had because now seeing your presentation, you have mentioned that you consider yourself as shy, and I don't see that part now in you. So I'm so happy you have that progress, that confidence in you. And you mentioned something with in your initial quote. You mentioned that the success is not to be pursued; it needs to be attracted. So I think for now, what are your next steps? You mentioned very good things at the end of your presentation, and when you realized what are those things that you need to improve, is when you need to take the action. So I think you have very clear that part. And I would like to ask, not sure, Darshan, if I have that time, to
Mhm.
ask to Akhilesh, what are the next steps for him? What you
Yeah,
have been
Akhilesh.
thinking?
Hmm.
What is next for you?
Currently, as Darshan sir said, I must not focus on many curriculars. So president is what I will be giving back to my another member because as the fourth year my ends, I will be leaving alumni association, and I will be focusing only on all-in-one hub and my graphology part. Why
Okay.
all-in-one hub? Because it is a as we were discussing 2 months ago that we were discussing about disadvantage of social media. So what I am thinking and my team is thinking is that we are creating a hub where people will find opportunities, courses around from the world, from Google, IBM. There are courses from Google, IBM which are free of cost, from big companies, and people don't know about it. They go after Udemy and all other courses around the world, which is very much pricey, which costs much more.
Costly.
So yes. So we are arranging all those courses as one place, which will help everyone around the world to find the courses they need in free way. Just like Khan Academy, they create their own course. We are just gathering course around the internet and then putting it in one place. Similarly, we are doing assessment. We are doing blogs, which will help. Uh, so that's the next project. And third is graphology. Changing thoughts is very hard because it takes a lot of time. Yet, if you change your handwriting, your mind will and your emotions will change quickly. So many people don't know about it. So my next project is that people must know about it, just like astronomy, astrology, you can say. So that's the next thing. These two things are my main.
Correct.
That's are my main project. And just
So
learning daily 1 hour is it will be lifelong.
great. So that's what I was telling, that focus on 2 or 3 things maximum, and more you focus, more you will achieve. Yeah. And
Yes.
I have given this feedback because I have talked with you much before this session. Yeah. So I was thinking that let me give the session in front of that, so that other young achievers, those who are listening to us, also can, think about this also. There are two, groups exist in Generation Z, as per my experience with them in these 6 months. Those who are doing bare minimum, what is required in their college, and those who are doing so many things much above them. So there is no right balance. And what happens when they try to do so many things, or when they bite so much, then they chew, there is a lot of things getting wasted, that your energy also get wasted. Yeah. So do a small things, but incrementally, consistently, with a passion. Yeah. Because consistency, if consistency is not there, you will drill a one borehole of 10 feet, another 10 feet, another 10 feet, and you will not get water. Okay. Purav, if you want to conclude, and then we can move to another presenter.
So I'm actually stunned by the way the people are here. I mean, Akhilesh and Arushi, wonderful things, guys. And as Darshan mentioned, please maintain the consistency. Consistency is the key to anything. So I just remember one quote from one of the books I read. Multitasking what Darshan was mentioning. Multitasking is screwing more than one thing at a time. So try not to multitask. 2 things, 3 things on the desk, good enough, not many. And as you also mentioned Achilles, you are controlling your life. And this is what I learned late in my life. Sorry for bringing myself always, but this is what I keep reflecting. So I want to become the creator of circumstances and not the victim of circumstances. I don't want to just run after life. I want to have my own life now. And wonderful guys, continue. But yes, stay in touch with mentors, not because they know more than you, but because they know what you don't know.
Correct. So thank you, thanks a lot, sir. And these tips always helps. We have so many mentors with a Circle of Legends. Like last meeting only, we were around 30 mentors. Those were, and there are few more who are working behind the scene. We are planning to start a daily LinkedIn live session from 1st of September, wherein one mentor will come every day. So imagine 22 mentors in a month. Except Saturdays, every day there will be a one mentor and one person who will be host or a hostess. So they will be learning a lot, and they will be from you only. They will be from student fraternity. So students will learn how
Yes,
to host and how to take, so they will be taking our seats. Pura, instead of you and me, now students will
wonderful,
be doing.
wonderful. And Darshan, sorry to add, but I'm actually, what I don't want to miss anything. What I want to give back. So please understand, students, you are achievers. The free sessions that you keep attending, attend only if you are going to take something back with you. So I have seen students, since the lockdown, people are running after the free courses because they give certificates on Coursera, on Udemy. I'm not against Udemy or Coursera, but don't just fill your resumes with the course certificates. Your time will not come back. Money can be earned later on also, but the 2 hours or 8 hours you waste on something just for the sake of certificates, please don't do that. If you are investing 2 hours today here, Akhilesh, a very good practice of writing down the goals. All of you, please write 1 or 2 things. If you think these were good things, please take those away with you.